Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's John Erickson, coming to you live from Los Angeles, California. A couple of quick notes. I'm 6 foot tall and I'm fully vaccinated. Spent several years working in the middle of nowhere Bahamas at an ecotourism resort where one of the best activities we did was saltwater flats fly fishing. I led adventure tours, so we did snorkeling, scuba diving, kayaking, sailing, and I jumped on a boat, flats boat, with a guide and the tourists and joined them on their fly fishing adventures. We would go to the Great Bahama Bank, which is on the west side of the island, flying through really narrow inlets, 60 miles an hour on these really cool flats boats. And then boom, we're in the middle of the Great Bahama Bank, gin clear blue waters, and the shadows of bonefish all around us. So I've been on the front of boats, I've been on the poling area where the guide's poling around. I know how to double haul, especially when it's windy, and it often was. Very comfortable, salt water, thicker line, punching it out there, dropping it in, and then poof. It's one of the fastest takeoff speeds you'll ever see, apart from a barracuda. I've also done barracuda fishing and tarpon, just gotta have a steel leader. So I've also done walking on the shoreline with the guests. You see the bonefish, their tails sticking up, they're feeding, drop the line out there, catch them that way, understand the safety around it, and just how difficult it is to not spook the fish, to get the fly exactly where it needs to be, and to have the best technique possible in order to place the fly in the exact position you need to. So, I'm your guy when it comes to this kind of thing. Been doing it for a while and absolutely love it. So, South Andros Island, flats fishing, bonefish, saltwater, look it up. I actually worked at Tiamo Resorts, and the South Bight is where we cruise to the west side. It's absolutely amazing. So, thanks a lot.